I'm a sun. Oh, and you know what? I think we're about to see something great happen. We're about to see some new shapes become friends. Oh, don't you love making friends? It is so fun. And you know what? Just be yourself and you can have as many friends as you like. Oh, well, let's watch below. I better get back up there and shine bright for the day. Oh, what a beautiful day at the park. Oh, yeah, it sure is, Oval. Oh, yeah, I just love looking at the clouds and finding out what shape they're going to turn next. Oh, yes, wonderful day. Bum, I walked over to the park today. I said, oh, hey, can we be friends? I walked over to the park one day and I said, hey, can we be friends? Can we be friends today? Can we be friends? Oh, yeah, that will be quite nice. Why not? We can be your friend. Yeah, we're just playing outside having lots of fun. Why not? We can be friends. We can be friends today, be your friend. Oh, well, let us introduce ourselves. Hi there, my name is Oval. I am green. I enjoy playing outside, reading books and eating spaghetti. Oh, great to meet you, Oval. Oh, well, I'm Heart. I really love being kind. I also really enjoy reading books as well. And I really love eating apples. Oh, great to meet you, Heart. Oh, hi, I'm Diamond. I love running around everywhere. I love running here, running there. I just love running. And I'm a white diamond. What about you? What's your name? Oh, it's just so great to meet you all. Well, my name is Trapezium. I am orange. I live at home with my grandma and grandpa. I have a pet cat. My cat likes to eat dog food, but that's okay. I love reading comic books and I enjoy counting. I love counting. I love counting leaves on trees. I love counting birds in the sky. Whatever there is, I love counting. Well, like there's 4 of us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, well, great to meet you, Trapezium. Yeah, really lovely to meet you. Oh, well, what should we do? I reckon we should just run around. Well, that sounds like fun. Oh, thank you guys so much for being my friends today. Oh, well, I do have to head back home now, but maybe we can meet another time. Oh, that'll be great, Trapezium. Yeah, very lovely. Oh, well, guys, see ya. I walked over to the park and I made friends. Oh, he was lovely. You sure was. Oh, well, I better start going home too. Oh, I'll see you guys. Oh, okay. Well, I better go home too, Heart. See ya. Maybe we could play tomorrow. Oh, that'll be great. Okay, well, see you guys. A great way to make friends. Oh, it's wonderful meeting new friends. You never know who you're going to meet. All you have to do is tell them about yourself and you can't go wrong. I'm just the sun. I'll just stay here all day until the moon comes and gives me a break. I am a sun. I am the one who gives you light, light, light in the daytime, time, time here. Oh, I better get back up there. See you guys.